I invited everyone from Goat Gang 66 and the greatest of all time are here to compete for this thing. Who's gonna take it home, boys? Everyone's getting checked in, signing waivers. I'm not responsible for anything happens, even if they die.
Number one, baby. I'm out here, gonna win an excavator, meet some people, some networking.
What's up, guys? My name is Devin Rudloff. I'm from Northern Indiana. I've been in the Goat Gang for about a year. If I win this excavator, this is gonna change my business like crazy. It's gonna help us blow up.
First round, blind rock, paper, scissors. We're setting up blind rock, paper, scissors. Jose's screwing it in. Let's see how it is. Behind me is a booth. You're gonna stick your hand through. You're gonna throw whatever you got. Nobody knows the winners.
Do you think you won?
100%, 100%.
Did I win? Did I lose? Am I fucked?
There can only be one winner. And that winner this team. Let's go! There's been an error. There's been a mistake. Real winners!
That's fucked.
He keeps hurting my feelings.
Tigran's a dickhead.
Hey, did we win or no?
Great.
No? We lost?
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's horrible, man.
I feel sick. All the way from Chicago, I let everybody down. Bro, it's hella disappointed. They just play with my feelings. Very sad, very sad.
Each challenge you win, you get 1 gold star. The objective is get 3 gold stars to advance to the final rounds.
We're getting 3, baby.
You ever seen the TikTok challenge where they throw pens in a cup? This is what we're doing, except big. Round 1 is over, 66 people at the start. There's half now. Boys, pick a partner.
Me and Freddie. I know he's gonna win it for us.
Why you guys want to be partners?
Because we're together game, dude.
Yeah, bro.
We practice.
All right.
We gotta prepare for everything. That's why.
So this is my partner. We're gonna win this shit together.
We got this, man.
But there's a surprise. You're going against your partner. First one to make 2, advance to the next round. You get a gold star.
I don't want to compete against you, brother, but I'm taking the excavator home.
Right there you go. Close the show.
This one's for you, Go Gang.
Ah, damn.
Todd, you're going down right now. What did I say? Let's go! Go game! Woo!
She's a sniper, man. She got me, but it's all good, though. I'm still gorgeous.
Even though I lost to my homie Jeremiah, it sucks, but I've learned so much in Goat Gang. It's changed my life. If you're not in here, you're an idiot.
2,000 years later.
Round 2 is over, 17 people left. All you have to do is go around this park and find an Easter egg. First one is now, go! So earlier this morning, I told the cameraman to go around and hide all the eggs. I didn't give him a lot of heads up, so we'll see where they are.
We gotta hide the eggs, man. Let's go.
We don't have time. We don't have time.
It took the boys 30 minutes to find 30 eggs, but one thing we didn't tell them is 10 of the eggs would advance them to the next round, and 20 of them were absolute duds. Finally, we got everyone together to open their eggs at the same time to see which ones were losers and winners. Okay, pop it.
Come on, buddy.
Joe Byron. Start! 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 Oh my God! 3 stars! Start! Woo! Start!
Just 2 more.
You got 1?
Yeah, I just got 1.
4 guys got 1 star. This guy got 3. He got 2. They can pick whoever they want to advance to the next round. Boys, who do you want to pick?
I'll split the excavator with you.
Hey,
Will you?
Hey.
Man's word? Yeah, split the excavator with you. You're fucked, Wyatt.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
But there's 9, so there's 1 still in the field.
That was the empty one that I had probably.
No, there's actually 1 in the field somewhere. The star is here for sure, and I know.
This is the last egg. We're sticking it in Tigran's pocket.
You know where it is?
Tigran's fucking grinning.
Oh, you got it? Oh, you got it? Oh, I have to smash it? Oh, I got the gold one too. Hey! I'm back in.
We're at the new location. There's gonna be 1 more redemption round before, just to get the few stragglers that got out on rock, paper, scissors. We want them to compete. I'm gonna pick 4 random people. First number, 5. Second number, 36. Third number, 38. Fourth number, 10. 3, 2, 1, go! Drop the gear.
This is the best birthday wish ever. Let's go.
I got out in the first round. I got picked in the redemption round, and this is really going to help my business.
In the beginning, 66 people. Now we're down to the final 12. Now we have an excavator, blocks. The 6 people who can stack the blocks the highest advance to the next round.
I should have watched the tutorial. All right. Damn it. Damn it. I didn't watch the tutorial. That was actually really hard.
Joe got 5. First time running excavator?
First time.
Good job, Joe.
All right.
Woo! I fucked myself. You got nervous.
Yeah, I got nervous.
Did get nervous. Six, 7, 8, 9, dude.
I was shooting for 10,
Holy
Kevin.
moly. Kick it. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 blocks. 29. Kick it over, dog. Woo! Ozzy got 3. Did you ever use them before?
Never.
Never.
First time.
3, that's not bad. Congratulations. Kick it up.
3. I'll take it as a win.
Yeah.
That's 3. That's 3. You didn't say how you wanted them stacked. You said stacked.
Hold on, hold
That's
on.
3.
Technically,
That's stacked. I got a little nervous.
you got
though.
3.
I got a little nervous.
Stage fright, huh?
Stage fright, man. There's a lot of people watching me. All right.
How does it feel to get 0?
Yeah, how many did I get?
0.
I think that's 2 there.
All right, we'll give him 2.
2, yeah, right there.
One, 17. Oh, you got it. All right, you got 5 blocks. How do you feel about yourself?
I feel pretty good. I just wanted to get through to the next round though.
All right, kick him over, baby.
not built for the operator life, you know?
There's 3 stacks. We're going with 3. 3! Congratulations. Devin got 5. He tied Joe. Very nice job. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to me.
All right. We have our final 6 competing in the last challenge. All we have to do is pick up the egg without breaking it. Who's gonna take it home, boys? Woo! First contender, Joe, number 33. Let's go! Fuck, the egg threw a block. Holy shit!
Oh my God!
This is Peter starting now.
You got like an Oh, it cracked.
Bob got it, but he cracked the egg. Our third contender, Aaron, ready to rock. Sounded like a crack. Congratulations, you did not break the egg. Now you can. Contestant number 4, let's go.
It's out!
Got it. Congratulations. You got it. 1 try.
That was a good one, right?
That's number 5. We have 1 out. 3 are tied. Wyatt, you got this. I got it. Let's go.
Got it.
Wyatt got it.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Damn.
That's pretty wild on the egg.
Devin's the last one. After this, tiebreaker.
Let's go, baby.
It works.
We got it.
Oh my God.
Let's go. Happy birthday. Let's go.
Devin, congratulations. He did it in 1 try. No broken egg. That's 5 ties. That's crazy. For the tiebreaker, we made it a little bit harder. 90-degree bucket. Whoever can pick up the egg the fastest without breaking it wins. Joe dropped the balls, dropped the egg, broke it, cracked it. It's all right. Second contender. Time's on, baby.
Oh my God! You got it.
1 minute, 9 seconds. Congratulations, that's pretty good.
Yeah, I feel great.
First time on an excavator?
A couple times.
Couple times. That's crazy, man. Wyatt's up. Your time to beat is 1:09.61.
Gotta be faster than 109.
Let's
baby.
go. So close. 43 seconds. Literally
So close.
a hair. He
I
would
had
have it.
time.
Damn.
Damn.
There's 2 people left. He's one of them. Let's see what you got, hot shot. 109.
He got it.
104. 104.
I'm excited.
Good job.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Saving the best for last. Devin, happy fucking birthday.
Let's go.
Let's beat 104, baby. Let's go.
baby. We got this. We got this.
Congratulations, 104. Boys, don't worry. Second place still gets a brand new MacBook.
Woo!
And
Thank you.
Just for Devin, because it's his birthday.
Thanks,
There you
guys.
go, Pro 9.
Only in Goat Gang.
Only in Goat Gang. To the winner, congratulations, Aaron from Arizona. Here are the keys, brother.
Thank you.
$75,000 excavator. Congratulations.
Thanks, brother.
All right, Aaron, take this thing home all the way to Arizona. Let's go.
I'm taking it home right now. Join Goat Gang!
The next giveaway is gonna be this 2017 F550 diesel.
No way.
What?
Giving my shit away?
Hell yeah.
How am I gonna work?
You gotta walk, son.
Come on now.
Randy's gonna take a bus.